Hi everybody, my name is Miss Miller and welcome to my classroom. I am your child's first grade teacher at McKinley Elementary. We have online expectations just like we would have expectations within our classrooms, and here are a couple things for you to keep in mind and to help your child do. In order for our Zoom meetings to go smoothly, I ask that all school supplies be ready for when your child logs in. And when your child is logged in, please make sure they're present on the screen and complete their work. They need to keep their camera on, and they need to keep their microphone muted just in case another person needs to talk, because it's too hard to hear when more than one person speaks. And whenever your child has a question or wants to say something, remind them to raise their hand to speak. And I ask that everyone log into our meetings promptly so we can quickly begin our lessons. That would make things run a little bit smoother. I want to let you know a few notes. Our Zoom time meetings for login are 8:45 in the morning and 1 p.m. in the afternoon. We are also going to be having another material pickup on October 8th for some additional supplies that your child will be using with our lessons. Our schedule is 8 to 8:45. They have a time where they get to go onto the specials folders for the art, music, and gym teachers. They have activities in those folders for them to complete. 8:45 to 11, they're with me on a Zoom meeting, and we'll be having a morning meeting. We work on our reading, our CKLA skills, our knowledge, and our math activities. 11:50 to 12:30, that's our lunch time. When they get done with lunch at 12:30, they come back on to asynchronous learning on their own, and they check the home page for the after lunch folder for what they can do for that day, and that is from 12:30 to 1. At 1 o'clock to 2:15, they come back onto the Zoom meeting with me, and we will be doing some more lessons in the afternoon. Now, on Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays at 1 o'clock, we have our special teachers live doing a lesson with the children, so please be sure that everyone comes back promptly. Now, let's explore our Schoology site. I will get us to our site so we can navigate it. Okay, here is our site that I'm sure you're familiar with right now. This is our homeroom page, and I have my welcome sign right there. Here is our Zoom meeting link that the children just need to click on when they come in. I also have on here our folders for after lunch. Here's a 12:30 to 1 o'clock. When they come back, all they need to do is click on this folder, and it'll open up to 5 more folders for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And they click on that day. So for instance, today was Thursday, so they would click on the Thursday folder, and a screen comes up, and the screen says, go to iReady and work on your activities. I will be monitoring your progress, so I can see what they are doing in that site. And right here, there is the link to that place. Also on our homeroom page, we have the folders for the specials and for the speech. And not only that, sometimes the teacher might not be there. And if the teacher is out, here is a folder that you would click on. It's a purple folder that if Miss Miller is out. And it will have an activity for your child to do. And all they need to do is click on this, Miss Miller is out assignments. And when they click it, it'll open up to a slideshow, and it'll tell them what activities to complete. There's 3 different screens of things for them to do. So that is in the event that Miss Miller is not there. Okay, sometimes I might have your child go on to one of our other courses, whether it be math or reading. On the math site, we have different games that they can do. There's the Math Arcade. If you click on Math Arcade, there's all sorts of math games that they can play. Math Tools is one that we've used so far, and it provides them manipulatives that they can complete their work with. In our reading folder, or our reading course, we also have something called the library. And on the library, you click on that, and a number of books come up so that you can click on them and they will read to you. So for instance, I'll click on this one. It'll go to the site and it'll read the stories to us. So that's an option. Whenever I say, boys and girls, we need to go to our library in our reading course, this is where they would go. Thank you for joining us for this little bit of a tour on our website. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Have a great day. Thank you.